Hi all, myself Ratnakaram Raju from the competitive.in, the only one platform at your service at any time to enhance your skills. Today we are going to discuss about gas processing and heat transport. Then go to another. The first law of thermodynamics, as I already discussed in the previous video, a closed system has a total internal energy which is given by E and INT. This energy can be changed in two different waves. The system can do work V or have work done on it minus W. Heat Q can flow into the system or flow outside of the system where it is denoted by minus Q. The first law is just a total energy conservation where delta E equal to Q minus V W. Change in internal energy given by heat in minus work done. Then go to another slide. States of idle gas is also discussed in the previous video. Then go to another slide. It is also discussed in the previous video. Then go to next slide. States of an idle gas. Note that the work done by the gas in isothermal expansion where W equal to integral VA to VB PdV, which is given by nRT ln of VB by VA, is just the area under the path, and in fact this must be true of the work done along any path. The gas clearly does less work going from A to B on the red path as I shown in the below figure. This means less heat is supplied to the gas along the red path. Then go to another slide. Here is a clicker question. What is the true heat difference between state A and state B? Here is two figures are given. In the both figures, P is taken along y-axis and V value is taken along x-axis. Okay, then go to another slide. Specific heats of a mole of idle gas CV. If you heat up a gas by 1 degree Celsius at constant pressure, it will expand and do work. So we must supply more heat to do this work. Then if it is heated by 1 degree Celsius when kept at constant volume, recall that the internal energy of a mole of a gas is EINT equal to NAKT into delta RT. Therefore, the heat energy input to raise the temperature 1 degree Celsius at constant volume, the constant volume specific heat CV is just CV equal to delta R, where R is the universal gas constant is given by 8.3 joule per mole Kelvin. Then go to another slide. Specific heats of a mole of idle gas Cp. The constant value specific heat Cv is just Cv equal to delta R. 1 mole of a gas Pv equal to RT where N equal to 1. So at constant pressure P delta V equal to R delta T equal to R for a temperature increase of 1 degree Celsius or equivalently 1 Kelvin. This equation also tells us the work done in expanding at constant pressure P delta V equal to R for 1 degree, so an extra R joules of energy must be supplied above that needed for CV. As we know Cp minus Cv equal to R, then Cp equal to Cv plus R equal to 5 by 2 R. Then go to another slide. Mole of specific heats of real gases. As I already discussed in the previous video, but for diatomic gases Cv equal to 5 by 2 R, Cp equal to Cv plus R. It can be shown by applying Newton's laws to the collisions that an average spinning motion will have equal energy with the translational motion. This is called the equiportion of energy. Then go to another slide. Equiportion of energy or degrees of freedom. For the idle monoatomic gas, we say that the atoms have 3 degrees of freedom. The three different directions x, y, z, and the total kinetic energy is given by 1 by 2 m Vx square plus Vy square plus Vz square. The average atomic kinetic energy is degree of freedom for total delta kT. Bigger molecules have many more possible like vibrational energy as shown in the figure. Then go to next slide. Here is the graph which shows an equilibrium puzzle specific heat of a H2 as a function of T. Then go to another slide. Here is also a table, an equilibrium puzzle specific heat of a H2 as a function of T. In the slight line which is shown at 2.5 R is a rotational modes getting their share. At low temperatures, H2 acts like a monoatomic gas. No thermal energy is going into the rotational modes even though the molecules are colliding. Then go down the slide. Puzzles answered. As the previous puzzles are answered here, the quantum theory. Newton's laws don't work here. Why? Because this temperature dependence of the specific heat of real H2 gas can only be understood with the quantum mechanics. It turns out that the angular momentum of a spinning object can only have values which are whole numbers time Planck's constant 2 pi, where it is given by 1.06 into 10 to the power of minus 34 joule seconds. Then go to another slide. Molar specific heat of solids. Many simply solids such as elements can be pictured as a lattice of balls connecting by a springs. A 3D vision of this is shown in figure. Each atom acts like an oscillator with 3 degrees of freedom. Each degree has both of kinetic energy and potential energy, suggesting a molar specific heat of 3 into R. This is just the Dulong-Petit value and works well for many elements except at low temperatures. Then go to another slide. Molar specific heats of copper and diamond, where copper is the red and diamond is white here. Almost all elements are like copper, 3 are at room temperature. What's so special about diamond means it took Einstein to figure it out. Then go to another slide. I hope this is all about the topics which are mentioned, and I hope all the topics are discussed. If anyone have the doubt, let me know in the chat box. I will try to clarify it in the next video. Thank you. And finally, I need to describe the figure which is shown here. Earth's energy budget. Incoming solar energy is 100%, reflected by atmosphere 6%, reflected by clouds is 20%, reflected from the Earth's surface is 4%. Absorbed by the land and oceans is 51%, which is shown in orange color. Carried to clouds and atmosphere by latent heat in water vapor is 22%, 23%. Absorbed by atmosphere 16%, absorbed by clouds 3%, conduction and rising air 7%, radiated to space from clouds and atmosphere, radiated directly to space from Earth. So, what we need to understand from this means we need to know how to and how will be the heat and energy will be conserved to make it utilized to make another properties. Thank you.